In this video, we are going to be analysing Tilray ticker TLRY. So what are going to be the key levels that we're paying attention to? So quickly, we are on the shortest term time frame, 30-day on the left, 90-day on the right, just to give us some closer levels to where we are now. Again, these aren't going to be the strongest levels, so if you want those, continue watching. But if you're looking for day trades or short-term trades in the near future, these can be levels that we could be looking at. So we had the 390 to 380, again, use these as zones as they're so close together. Then going on to 350 to 340. Breaking through there would take us down to 305, and then 265 is kind of that final support to the upside with a key resistance is. So we have 430, 455 going on to $5. Also 470 was in between. Again, as these levels are quite close together, again they can be the matter of about 20 cents. These are probably going to be most likely scalp traded, so playing it for about 5 to 10, or probably 10 to 20 cents with a 5 or so cent stop. And this will probably be the trading opportunities off these levels, with also a final one being at 530 and 510. So again, these ones can be more for the day trades and the scalp trades, but what are going to be the key strong and longer term levels? For this, we need the 6-month and the 1-year chart. What we can see is we're currently hovering on the support on the first deviation on the 6-month, and currently bouncing between that resistance on the daily. So whenever you're between these kind of ranges, again, it's usually much safer to stay out, because within this ranges, price is unpredictable and it's just going to be difficult to trade with most likely a lot of fake outs. So instead, it can be good to wait for the breakout and then look to trade the levels further. So 515 going on to 610, breaking through there would be 640, 810. 760 and 1010 to the upside, and then to the downside with a key supports, you've got 250, 228, then also 150 and 30 cents. Obviously, some of these are very far off. Do you need to pay attention to all of them? No. Where are we now? We're at $3.95. So really, your only focus is wait for the breakout of this range, and then your targets of around 270 as a support and 515 as a resistance. So again, wait for the move usually to these levels, and this can usually provide the good trading opportunities. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on Tilray. If you did, want to drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.